don't know if I want to go on the main road. This is going to be my first time.
You've been on the main road, maybe. Oh, more beer.
Yes.
Here, get it far from the road.
You can love yourself, though, come.
I am in Jamaica. Now. Where are you? United States? UK? Which part you say?
Hey y'all, hey. Like, I know I look crazy right now, but it's because I'm kind of getting ready. Hair's not done, just trying to hurry and do my face. Guys, my camera is ruined, like literally ruined. So I'm currently getting dressed to go on the road. We are gonna do something fun today. I should have already left out, but I was not in the mood. And further down in the vlog, I'm gonna explain why. As y'all can see, I'm kinda headed home in traffic. So apparently, the passes starts at 10 to 6. So if you're late to 12 p.m. they'll let you in. If not, then you can't access the property. And I was late beyond 12. So I am headed back because they didn't allow me to go in. So I'm gonna have to go back another day. So funny. So funny. Tried my best. Oh my gosh, I look crazy. Guys, I started my day pretty early today. I've been up since 6 o'clock, 6:30. And I have done so much, but I'm currently coming from the tax office. And let me tell you, this place, if you love yourself, don't come. It is now 2:50. What time is it? It's almost 3 o'clock. We've been in that line since 12 something. And the line long for years to go all the way down way. Like, it is crazy here. Like, there's no system in place to join the long line outside. You have to go back inside, join my next line, get ticket. But I came up with a very nice business idea. There are persons here that actually hustles. So if you don't want to join the line, they might have them ticket put on or something. You know how them do it? And they actually do the service for you. And in less than 30 minutes or so, you get whatever you would have requested. So that's the nicest adventure I'll be taking on. So if you're in the Montego Bay area and you'd like to take on my service, then hit me up.
What a deal. They're done it.
Idea nice. So guys, I'm gonna fix my camera, which is not working. This is how it looks. Like the screws is missing. I want to try to see if the phone repair people them can find a screw and just screw it in. Don't know how much I'm gonna charge, but let's see. Huh?
Yeah, shipping test.
You go clock first? Oh, I need to go and pick up some packages. Oh, that's another thing. Hey guys, I just went to one of the phone repair shops. I don't know if it's because it's the 31st, but they are closed. So I'm headed to the shipping place, and Matthew was saying that he'll find screws to add to the camera. You see what that? So make we see how that go. I was gonna go somewhere else, and the young man say he'll do it. So let's see. But I don't know why the screws just keep falling out of the camera. I'm not sure if you guys are seeing it, but it's like right at the bottom, right here. There are two screws that should be on each side. They're gone, and there's none at the bottom here either. I don't know, but it's slack since they fell out, so I need to get those screws before the other two gone. So yeah, don't forget some package. I don't even remember what exactly is in it, but one of them I know definitely I don't have anything in it. Some stuff like that. We are currently in Burger King.
Trading you for the sauce.
You're not in it.
I was just talking.
So the last day of the year having fast food. Yay! You want to give them the rating for the kid from the channel? I don't know.
The rating is 10.
PK? What does it mean?
Good for me. Been good for you.
Is it top of the cake? And that's a 10? It's not overly sweet?
Not overly sweet. Kind of overly sweet.
Because we double upon the sugar. The recipe for that one. So half. We need to indecisive. So now I have 2. Hey guys, so Jasmine should be coming to Montego Bay for the intimate concert in St. Anna Fleet. I'm not a concert girly, so I won't be going. However, she's gonna be stopping by here on Sunday. The concert is a Saturday, so we don't necessarily have anything planned, but she mentioned that she wanted to go to the beach, and since we live close by, we are going to be doing that when she get here. I'm not too sure as to how soon she'll be here, but it will basically be a full day, after which I'm going to be doing my Sunday cooking and all of that good stuff. So yeah, super excited to have her here. Always welcome, and she's genuine vibes. So yeah, I cannot wait. Sunday fun day. We're currently downtown with Jasmine. As you can see from the attire, we're going to the beach. We're late. I know we are very late, but we are gonna grab some stuff downtown. We're gonna grab some stuff downtown. I'll show the girl nice. But most of the supermarkets are closed, so I'll be vlogging inside. When is this? Alright, no. We're not so done. No, we're not so free. Mini chips. Feel like I would eat. Where's the chips? You want sausage? And why the big food? What is this? Thunder paws. Big food. You want to go somewhere else?
Yeah.
Oh my god. So I'll keep right now. They don't have much stuff. Just that. That's
She said I want 1,000.
but that's still not much. I hope y'all like the vlog. Can't be turning now. Alright, so for people that don't shop in the Chinese stores, this is how it looks. However, these look outdated. Is I changed up now? Why do I look so too funny date? Also, what? January 25th. This is mash up. Alright, this one and looks so bad, I guess.
Like the difference and anyone you can
Alright, hot and spicy. Sausage. What are banana chips? Oh, so them they run this one.
Oh yeah.
That'll be good. Thanks, sir. I'm not dry teeth. Room temp water.
I'm familiar with unrequited. I know you got a heart that's undecided, just like mine. It takes its sweet time. I've been trying to dive into the deep end, cause I don't really wanna lose a good friend, but I might find something divine. It's electric every time we touch. I've been living for this head rush, but sometimes it's too much. If we never tried, how will we know? Maybe I can let it go. Give me a sign, if I'm on your mind.
That don't look good. Guys, tell me what's not good now. Water cool. I went in. Alright, now maybe go wet up my foot. Just my foot. Water not bad. You don't want me move for there. Go with me up, cause the time to go in there to that extent. As you can see, I didn't go into water, so I'm not wet. We're currently going to Margaritaville. They recently renovated, so I want to see what they have over there. So we're gonna walk. Let's go. Where still not there as yet, still walking. Just been a struggle with the bag.
I'm struggling not to hit down people with the bag.
Yeah, a lot of persons are walking past. Forgive me for wearing this weird outfit.
And the first time I see two female,
it looks so, because we look like a baddie. Oh, good look. You must say where the body is.
It's the head turn for me.
There are a lot of tourists on the strip and in the cars passing by. They be acting as if they've never seen Jamaicans walk before. We're currently at Old Hospital Beach on the hip strip. So it's not the same as it was before. As you can see, it's a little bit run down. A lot needs to be done, but at least the maintenance aspect is not too bad. You can actually access the beach right here as well. And this is joined to Harmony Beach Park and also Doctor's Cave. So this is where we came. Back downtown all the way from Margaritaville. We had to walk back. It didn't really make any sense to take a cab, but at Margaritaville they have upgraded. However, the slide is not there. It's just mainly food and dining. So we didn't change or anything, with the expectation that we could actually try out the slide and, you know, have a little fun. We left Harmony Beach Park a little bit early, but that did not work out. We are about to head up just now. I changed at Coral Cliff. As you guys can see, I'm back in my dress and my Crocs. Nothing extra, something simple. It was a good day, won't complain. So let's head back home. People, some away. Devon house is so expensive. $1,400 for 2 scoops of ice cream. This is the ice cream, and then the lady leaned the ice cream on the cone. Was about to fall off. So I asked her if I can get one cup. She was like $50. $50 for one cup. Tell me now.
Ooh, baby, tell me why'd you have to go? This pain I feel it won't go away.
Guys, look at this. We're gonna go Ackee shopping. Why? So I was just walking past and I saw some Ackees being open on the tree at $100. Why? What's this? What? What's gonna make me or sting me off? This one, next one here. That means the one. No, sir. Me gone. Me no want the what's gonna bite me up. That's what it looks so pretty. Eh? Only in Jamaica. Look how close. So we're gonna have to sit down and laugh with them when they're open up. So let's see if we can get a dozen Ackee.
I'm making a lean it down. Wait, try lean it down.
Oh.
Lean down the branch.
Oh.
As in, put the stick on that and lean it down, yeah. And then you try. Lean it down somewhere. Lean the stick on it.
So?
Yeah. See how the clouds come in and they know. But you know, come.
Wait.
Further.
We don't want to lick it, you know?
Girl, that not work.
That's not the one we want. 56 broke.
I think with the ciggy work, you know. Oh my god.
Perfect.
You see how quick you're going to get it down now.
So good for one.
Exactly. See, I get the exercise, you know.
Okay.
Look at that. Easy peasy. So you have some... Oh, righty. Girl, watch out. Cash pot. You may get it after all.
Jesus.
Some of them just like them squad.
Ow.
Kids, don't try this at home. Don't try this at home, guys. Just watch the professional. Uh-oh.
Broke.
So close but so far away. Well, I hide from here. I can't even see them. How are them there again?
Guys, the first stick broke. I just looked by and saw this one. So I'm gonna try this. It's perfect. As you can see, this is the cocoa. Backside, Jasmine broke it thick. As a real country girl. Alright, so there's a whole bunch right there. Ooh, but most of them rock mine. Why? Man, they knock you out. They can't use the hook part and pushy. Look at that one close by. Wait. So that one here now looks 100, but we're gonna work with that. So we have breadfruit.
And you know, so you have more well, up top.
Yeah,
Just like this one.
Another one, thank you. That's gonna work. She's gonna come put your chicken. This can't work. You know how far that just go? See breadfruit for days. Exactly. Nice. There's more in the bag in addition to these. Yeah, this is a dozen. Eh? No, sir, we just get dozen. We can go get all right. Yeah. Alright, thanks. No, rather no, I can't just go short. Go on, go on. Yeah. Guys, and welcome, miss. I did not intend to vlog. Just on the road and we walk and see the ackee tree. We saw another one, but there was wasp in it. You never want to get in a wasp bite. But yeah, as a true Jamaican, we go always have a look at ackee tree or fruit tree. One man just a pass by, a taxi driver, asking for a dozen. Imagine, we can barely get a dozen. A two?
But him said two dozen. I think I literally.
We can go so after we there work so hard in the sun hot. Eh?
After go look stick a bush.
Man just want to drive past and get. I cannot say work right now. Him should have come help me. But I'm gonna count the ackees. I got ackee on Saturday, and currently per dozen it's $300. So I bought some on Saturday. I'm gonna add this to my little batch. Cause if you never know one thing about Santina, ackee and saltfish is my favorite food, favorite thing to cook. So me literally do anything with ackee, not just like anything, but like to climb one tree and lick down the ackee. Yeah, me do that. Anything for. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? See them pretty and nice, well opened up. Look at this again. You see that?
Open. You see if you
But
put
if
them
you open
out
on
like
the
this
tree-
on the ledge, no, let's put them on the ledge. Give them till tomorrow. I guarantee you tomorrow them are going to open up wide. Where you will get poison is like them teeth in market people that them get it like this and them force it open. That is why you get poison.
Then they want to force.
No, them will open naturally by themselves. By tomorrow them will open.
Alright, you hear what the young lady say? So guys, we got more than a dozen, as you can see. And the dozen we're talking about is like the pods, a dozen pods. This is probably a dozen and a half. And they look a breadfruit right there, so ango bango. Hey guys, so I finally removed the bonnet and stuff. Didn't you hear me talk? Anyways, finally removed the bonnet and stuff after doing my little ackee picking. Like whenever I say ackee tree, I'm always just so amused by it. Like you literally have an ackee tree in your home, and sometimes either one of them to eat it or there's no one living there. Some of the ackees, I think it was 2 to 4 ackees that we picked, it wasn't opened up entirely, so I did left those on the outside and it opened up wide. I don't remember which one exactly. I think it was this one, but I think it was this one and this. I don't remember for that one now, but this is not open all the way, but as you can see it naturally opened by itself. So for the international people watching my channel, like these are some delicacies in Jamaica. The ackee is so good that it is our national dish. It's perfect with saltfish and sauteed vegetable like tomato, onion, garlic, bell peppers. Really good. It's a very tasty dish. Most Jamaicans, I would say minority of Jamaicans don't eat it, and then we have the majority that love it. Can be eaten with the breadfruit that you guys saw. You can do provision, boiled banana dumpling, and yellow yam or white yam. As I was saying before, I went through all of that. So like if the ackees are open properly on the tree or on its own, then it can poison you. So you don't want it to get to that point. So if you know, either gonna leave it for it to open up by itself or leave it on the tree if the tree is yours. So once it's in the pod, it lasts a little bit longer. However, I realized that some of them kind of had this gray weird looking thing like it was getting spoiled. So I am gonna be taking the ackee out from the pod itself, and I am going to just remove, I don't know what they call the inside of it. I'm going to remove that though, and I'm going to freeze it. I'm going to oil it and then I'm going to freeze it until I'm ready to prepare it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare my ackee and saltfish. $0 and 0 cent basically, because I didn't pay for these ones.
I'm officially Miss
Guitars, man.
Can't nobody do it like you.
Love.
Said every little thing you do. Hey baby, stays on my mind. And I'm officially all I do is lay around. From looking at your face on the walls. Just a week ago you were my baby. Now I don't even know if you at home. I don't know.
Alright guys, so just get rid of the black part and then the red inside. Is it red or orange? The orange inside. So some of them were getting soft and spoiled, so I had to just toss those. So it's really not a lot.
You at all. Officially missing you. Can't nobody do it like you.
Yeah.
Said every little thing you do.
Donations will be accepted.
Stays on my mind.
This This is all that we got from the pods, just a small bowl. I don't know if you guys normally wash your ackee, but I usually do before I prepare it. Let me know in the comment section, all of the top chef them, real OG them. Let me know if you normally washing the ackee before preparing it, or do y'all just add it to the hot water with the anticipation that the hot water will kill the germs. This is going to be going in the fridge right now. I'm going to just cling wrap it. I'm going to be cling wrapping it, and tomorrow now when I am going to cook it and stuff, I'll just wash it and drop it in the hot water. So currently I am going to heat up some Sunday Monday. I made stew pork and rice and peas. So I did a decent amount since Jasmine was here, so a good amount is left. So Jasmine went back home today. I miss her, like she's genuine vibe. And if you guys have been watching all the videos and vlogs that I have posted on this channel, you would have met her previously. So once I can genuinely speak on things good, bad and the indifferent to persons around you, like those are your people and you need to stick by them. So yeah, I am gonna just wait on the food to be heated, and I was editing prior, so I'm gonna finish that. I have 2 vlogs that I'm currently editing because I realize I'm not consistent, and it's not like I don't have the content. I have the content, it's just for me to edit them. So I'm editing 2 vlogs, 2 separate vlogs in one that should be posted this week. So I just want to schedule them from tonight and call it a day, work on other content, so I am ahead. So that is the plan for 2025, to always have the contents edited, not just having the content, but have them edited, scheduled, so that I don't have to be busting my brain on what I'm going to post next week, what am I going to be posting on Sunday or whatever. So I'm going to dive into that right now. So I'll pick the camera back up tomorrow once I have something festive doing or something that is interesting. So talk with you guys soon. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I'm just about to head on the road, so I need to pick up the packages that I've been trying to get at Matthew's shipping company. Every time we go there, the last time it was the 31st, they closed early, and I'm not gonna go there by myself because it's somewhere in Clock, and then where it's situated is just weird. So I am gonna head out just now. We are gonna collect that, and then I'm gonna try to fix the camera. So those are the 2 things I wanted to do last week that I didn't get to do. So I'm gonna see if that can be done today, in terms of the price point for the camera, because it's nothing major to be fixed, as well as the package.
So please make sure you drive properly.
Guys, I'm about to drive, getting my lessons in. So not show me nothing, but we all know. Oh yeah, I hope the camera in broke. Backside.
I'm not telling you nothing.
You don't have to tell me nothing.
Make sure.
Alright, so first things first, look left, look right. Alright, indicator.
Stop sign.
By Vista Print. I don't know if I want to go on the main road. This is going to be my first time.
You've been on the main road, I mean.
Like the main road.
This is the main road.
No, the main road I Clock with them drive by. Anyways, I feel like I'm going to go to the waters. So me don't want to up no
It
more.
was up more. See, you can barely reach.
I can.
Okay.
Why am I just look at me go, that not look good?
No, because your foot before, friend. Because you can adjust a seat back if you want. There you go. Make a short self. Here. Glass then there.
Make him go first? Where?
Yes, where you standing for a second? Go out there, Beard.
That's
Here, you're the far from the road.
to the right.
Jesus Christ. You're down somewhere, Beard. You're the far.
What is it? See the white line there right this way? You're going to take me away.
No, taking not a while.
That'll take me a while.
No, it's not. If you say it's going to take you a while, then it's going to take you a while. Go on, go on. Make sure you have a camera because sometimes you overtake it.
We're finally by the shipping place for the park. So he's finishing that up. But it wasn't too bad. Never bad at all. Just need to get used to parking as well as, you know, judging the road, because most of the time I'm in the middle of the road. I don't know why. Or majority of the time when I see trucks or stuff like that, I keep going over to my side. I just feel like them are gonna lick me or I'm going to bump into them. But we need more practice, just a little bit. One month practice and we should be good. This is the OOTD. Nothing extra. So there's no parking, as you all know, usually no parking. So we're on a plaza that we're not going, pretending as if we're going to one of the stores. So we can get the parking and the body immediately, and then we're going to go to the right shipping place. The security will look. We're going to go down this way. After, at least you can, so we never come somewhere else on the building. So we're going to head to the shipping place just now. Guys, the shipping company, this young man recommended me to it, and they're very awful in terms of price. When they're pricey. After £3 you have to pay $300 extra. Make it make sense. We're by LOJ. We're gonna try the phone shop to see if they can fix the camera or if they have the screws for it. Then we're gonna go back up.
Baby, please don't go.
So I showed the guy the camera. He was like, there's no screw missing from it, it just needs to be tightened. While he was talking, he was literally tightening the screws and it fixed. Didn't have to pay anything. So I'm headed up, but I'm gonna grab a patty, a beef patty, and I'm gonna head up. That's gonna be for lunch. $300 for one look of patty, beef patty. That's crazy. And then I think the cheese patty is $3.50. I usually get the cheese patty, but it's just not the same. Usually I have to flip the patty from the bottom to start eating it because the cheese just there at the bottom. Make it make sense. If you're going to increase the price, at least your turn, at least put substantial amount of cheese in the patty and make it be a cheese patty, not beef patty. But I don't know, like everything here is just getting really ridiculous. But I guess it's just the economy. Hey all, hey, so I just checked my footage after editing and I realized I have a lot of content. So instead of adding the cooking aspect to this vlog, I am going to start a new vlog, so I have enough content for that one. So we are gonna close out the vlog right here. If you have been watching the video from start to finish, drop a canned saltfish or some traditional Jamaican stuff in the comment section. 3 yellow hearts if you are a bougie gang and you have been following up with all the videos. I really do hope that you guys had enjoyed watching the video entirely. So until next time, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye bougie babes.